Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Now, we briefly touched on the updated Photos app in our recent iOS 13 shows, so for this week I thought I'd take a more in-depth look at Photos on iOS. As an aside, I'm also trying out a new technique to show taps and on-screen gestures for this tip show. We usually hand animate the taps as shown on screen, but this week I'm experimenting with using the new pointing device support in Assistive Touch. If this works out, it should be a great help in our post-production workflow, so fingers crossed. As I mentioned in the introduction, I am going to be using a different type of pointer to indicate where I'm tapping on screen. And if you refer back to the iOS 13 Deeper Dive show by Rosemary, she went into how you set up a Bluetooth mouse with your iPad. I've done that. And now if I wiggle my mouse here, you'll see that I get this little pointer on screen. Now, what I'm not going to do is sort of drag this around as if it was a desktop. What I really want to do is just show you where it is I'm tapping on screen. So I'll try my best to do that. It's the first time I've used this particular presentation technique, so we'll see how we go. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.